in south-central Indiana, Perry County in south-central Indiana, northwestern Meade County in central Kentucky, Hancock County in central Kentucky, northwestern Breckinridge County in central Kentucky, northeastern Ohio County in central Kentucky, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Santa Claus to near Owensboro to near Calhoun, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tell City, Hardinsburg, Hawesville, Mount Pleasant, Webster, Lewisport, Candleton, Cloverport, Leopold, and Forbesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central Indiana and central Kentucky. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 8:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, for portions of southern Indiana.
Yeah.